Okay, this 54 says draw a slope triangle to find and use it to find the equation. So basically we're going to draw a slope triangle and then use it to find the slope and then write the equation. Okay, so I am going to first make this bigger so I can draw a slope triangle well, right? So first, let's take a look. This point here, the y-intercept, we're going to need that, right? So this is going by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So that point is 170, right? That point right there is 170. So now we know the y-intercept, right? Okay, so let's draw our slope triangle. So down and over. So in the x direction, it went 2, right? And in the y direction, starting here, right? And in the y direction, it went down from 150 to 130, right? Which is negative 20. So the slope is the change in y, negative 20 over 2. Slope is negative 10, right? And then the y-intercept we saw from right here, the y-intercept is 170. So the equation of the line then is y equals mx plus b, or y equals m, which is negative 10x, plus b, which is 170. Y equals negative 10x plus 170.